Hello everyone and welcome to another News Coolum video. I'm here at an Electrify America site in Laguna Village in South Sacramento. It's about halfway between Interstate 5 and Highway 99. I wouldn't describe it as a true sort of travel stop. However, it is a highly effective stop. I actually really like it a lot. I'm still yet to test how long it's going to take to get back onto the freeway, but it doesn't look like it should take that long. But this site has a lot of amenities, a lot of actual restaurants. I know people complain because they don't want to just go someplace with fast food, right, all the time. And this place has a lot of different types of restaurants you can sit down at. Unfortunately, I was hoping maybe they had some ice cream. It's almost 100 degrees right now, and I can really feel the temperature, and it's really working the battery conditioning on the Bolt EV. Now, these aren't the 50 kilowatt chargers that you see in a lot of the city implementations that Electrify America has been putting in, but instead these are all 150 kilowatt. There aren't any 350 kilowatt, but given the nature of this site, I think that's perfectly appropriate. I think most vehicles, if you're going to stop here, you're typically going to spend 30 to 35, maybe 40 minutes, and 150 kilowatt chargers are perfectly fine for that use case. But I mean, in this case, we're about 25 to 30 minutes into the stop here. The activation went perfectly fine, but the Electrify America charger actually shut down on me, so I had to start a new one. It only added a couple of minutes to the charge, but it's still a little aggravating to have to stop and restart a new charger. But hey, when you have four here, it makes that a lot easier. So let me know what you think. Have you been able to use this charging site before? I'm really happy to see it, and I'll probably prioritize it on the rest of my trips up north. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and thank you for watching.